So we're back in the shop. That Banshee that I had my boy run around the field last video. Here it is. I should have probably taken a video of it coming apart, but somebody was like super spray paint happy. You'll see they spray painted everything. There's the tank. It literally completely spray painted the frame, shocks. At least it didn't spray paint the radiator. That's a plus. But it's got some good features. It's got some nice Pro Taper bars. Uh, it's got them. The cheesy Amazon levers, but they're decent. It does have a homemade looking stretch swing arm. It's not much of a stretch. It's actually, if you look compared to the 450R, and this just a random coincidence that I happen to have them lined up. It's maybe 3 inches longer than the 450R. I've never compared my other one to the 450R, so maybe it's not as much of a stretch as it looks like. It's got the Vito's cylinder head. I took off the reed cages, just started pulling everything apart, see how everything looked. It does have the reeds look decent. They're probably like eBay special, reed cages. They spray painted, literally everything. But I went and looked in the cylinders, and I don't know if this will show up too good in the video. Yeah, anybody who's looked at them can tell, obviously, that that bridge comes to a point, and if you look at the distance between the top and bottom, you can tell that it's been ported, not ultra professionally, but if you notice, for those of you who have Banshees or do any porting, see how the difference between this piston and the cylinder. I'd like to say it makes it so the porting makes almost no difference, but I'm not a professional porter, so I would say that it probably still makes some difference. But I always port match my pistons, and I'm no pro, I mean, I've just been doing it for before there was internet, so I just do it myself. I've never done any research. It's only on my personal experience. But if you mark them out with a Sharpie and then just open up them ports on the pistons, then you're back to knowing exactly the hole is the right size. But stock carbs, my dog's a little antsy here. She's in the shop. But yeah, just wanted to make a short video showing where we're at with it. I'll show you the parts in a second. Garage is a complete mess. But we got the red '07, we got the tried and true Warrior, we got some Harleys. You see the CR85 bored out to a 105 with a big bore kit. There's my blue Banshee. But gas tank. Let me see here. Here's another 450R. I know, it's a big mess. This one's an '06. This one is, believe it or not, this is a clean one. It's just dusty right now. But came with this cool American flag seat cover. It does have a little rip. I'll probably leave it like that. But yeah, man. Race cut plastics. Had the cool little carbon fiber piece over top of the gas tank. Gas tank covers are painted. Grill cover is painted. This is the Cherokee project. We're about to put this Super Duty 60 underneath this front of this Cherokee. Not about to. It's been sitting here for probably 6 months, 9 months. But then we got. Did have a K&N filter. They painted the outerwear for extra performance. I think if you paint the outerwear the same colors you paint everything else, you gain like negative 20 horsepower. But Toomey T5 pipes. It does have the T5s, and they conveniently did not paint the Toomey sticker over all the way. They didn't paint the pipes either, which is that's a plus. But looking pretty good. And then for those of you who are into the off-roading and whatnot. Oh, look, the wheel's so out of center. Yeah, we got 3-inch stretch on the back of this Cherokee that I'm doing for my boy. Just got to get my house finished, and then that way, once the house is completely done, then I can concentrate back on stuff. And I'm getting it's full of stuff. But yeah, one of these days I'll do once I get all the furniture out of the shop, we'll do a video of the shop. But we'll put a lift and stuff back in for the automotive work. We got the tractor in here, and it's got a lot of stuff in it. I don't even want to show the whole thing. It's all my furniture and bags of bedding and stuff like that and whatnot. But yeah, so This one's looking pretty good. I still got to get the front wheels mounted. These wheels and tires are going to go over to the new Banshee, and then I got these Alba Racing white and black beadlocks. Who knows? Maybe I'll switch the white and blacks over to the new Banshee, depending on what color the plastic is underneath all the spray paint. I guess we will find out. But yeah, this one ran real good. I know it sounds dumb, but this one ran real good before I took it apart. Uh, I'm gonna probably just do a stock or whatever size this is, top end on this. Keep these cylinders. If I looked inside, the hole, then it looked decent. The piston did, but it did show a little bit of scoring on the piston. So I figured I could use a fresh top end while I'm getting all the spray paint off. After that, I could use a new carb or something for the 450R. We're having problems with it, either that or a starter, not a carb, but just to clean it out. Sometimes it idles a little goofy, and then if you stall it out, the starter just seems like it's really struggling to turn to compression. So maybe there's a compression release problem, or the starter's just a piece of crap, or what. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So new project. I should have taken a video before I took it apart. But I got some more videos of this as we work on it. I just got to get the time. But thanks for watching. Take the time to subscribe if you made it this far. Then you must really not be irritated by the sound of my voice. But thanks, guys. I appreciate you.